Hello everyone! Good day to all of you. How are you feeling? I guess we are all excited for today's tour, right?
Yeah!
Right?
Yeah!
I can't hear you. Are you all excited?
Yeah!
Alright, so let's get started. First, let me introduce myself. I am Kyle Cervantes, but you guys can call me Kuya Kyle from STI Travel and Tours. I will be your tour guide for today here in the beautiful city of Bacolod. Beside me is our very friendly coach captain, Kuya Janelle. Would you mind to say hi? Great! We will be your companions for the rest of the day. Now, let us do the head count to know if we already complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 30! Okay, so let's get it on. Before we proceed, as we are now going in the city proper, let me state a few reminders. So guys, as your tour guide, I always want you to remember to always enjoy. Can I see those beautiful smiles that indicate enjoyment? Fascinating! So enjoy stands for E. Ensure all your personal belongings. And note that leave the place clean as it is, for we must always bear in mind that take nothing but pictures and leave nothing but footprints. J. Join always with a group and do not leave. O. Only you can make the best out of this tour, so try to interact with the locals and culture. Lastly, Y. You must enjoy the whole tour to the fullest. Alright? Alright, are you guys still with me? Also, I want you to know my signals. If I raise this flag up, we only have 20 minutes to roam around the place. If I whistle once, it means that we only have 5 minutes left. And if I whistle twice, we are going into our next spot or go back into the bus. Okay? Is that all clear? Alright, if in case also you are not feeling well, I have my first aid kit. So here it is. And please, don't hesitate to call my attention, okay? Alright. Also, I want all of you to synchronize your time with me so that no one will be left behind. Right now, it is already 7 o'clock in the morning. Please make it same with me.